Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new month and that means I have my new DT kit from Dress My Craft to share with you. So I got a bunch of fun stuff and their new releases to show you today. So of course the first thing that I got are some paper packs. You all know how much I love paper packs. So this is their new release. This is the Me collection and this is so colorful and wonderful. My superhero, and it has all superhero related images and some bright and funky colors, and I think it will be perfect for kid projects for 6-year-olds and 8-year-olds who are really into superheroes, and it would be great for making party favors or party decorations as well, for maybe a superhero themed party. And I love this. I think it's a wonderful paper pack, and something like this I haven't seen before, so I really liked it. You can see that it has Batman and Spider-Man and Hulk images. And this one is black and white, and I absolutely love this one. So it has this really nice kind of comic feel to it, and looks lovely. This time it also comes with the coordinating motif sheet. Generally the Me collections were not accompanied by motif sheets, but this time they have included the motif sheets as well, which I think is really great. So yeah, let's move on to the next collection. So the next collection that I got is this another Me collection. This is an older one, but I hadn't tried it, and I have this affinity for purples and pinks, and I thought this was a really good color combination, soothing to the eyes, so I got this one. So it has a sweet kind of like not a vintage feel, but yeah, it has a soft feel to it, and I really liked it. Almost kind of looks dreamy, and it has lace images and then florals, and of course the script image, the script background, and you can see each of the papers is so pretty, and I have to think what I can make with this, because I really love this. This is called Chirping Birds by the way. So you can check all of these on the website. I will leave the links in the description box below. The next one is my absolute favorite, and this is called Dream Road. This is the newest collection, and this is the premium collection. And as always, I got the whole collection, the 12x12, 6x6, and the motif sheet. So, and this is such a pretty collection. It has these very soft florals, and then lots of wood grain patterns, this beautiful door. I'm going to flip through the entire paper pack for you so you can see how wonderful and beautiful this is. Another one of my favorite pages here with that kind of a newspaper print, and yeah, so, and this black and white is also so gorgeous. This is a very dreamy, very beautiful collection, and I have a scrapbook in mind with this, so I hope I can make it really soon. And of course it comes with the coordinating elements that make it so easy to put together a project. So you can see lots of butterflies, windows, frames, leaves, also have patterns there, and it has some vintage images as well, and there are some birds, and yeah, I got the 6x6 as well. Actually 2 of the 6x6, because I really love this collection. And I also got some extra motif sheets because I have extra pattern papers, so I thought I could use some extra motif sheets. The next thing I got is this Mini Moo motif sheet. This is volume 2. So for the Mini Moo paper pack that I showed you last time, this is the second motif sheet that was launched, and it was launched later, so I got it this time. Next is the new product that Dress My Craft launched a little while back, and they're called the Transfer Me Sheets, and this is a sensational product because it's so wonderful, so easy to use. You do not require any mediums or anything, and you can see how wonderful the images are. There's this one which is mail oriented, then you have the transportation ones, then you have these tiles ones. I think the tile ones would be really cool for coasters as well. And yeah, all you have to do is dip it in water and apply to the surface, and you have a wonderful pattern on your project. So you can do so many things with these transfer me sheets, and I do have videos coming up this month about how to use these sheets. And of course, you can find lots of inspiration using these on the Dress My Craft Facebook page, on the blog, and yeah. So the next thing I got is this new, again, this is a new release. This is the alphabet die. I like that it is bold and the size is great. And of course, the next is some accessories. So I got some pollens. There are some wire pollens, some thread pollens, and then I also got some tiny miniatures. So I had this cute elephant, and then I got some cute miniature dogs, and of course the last thing is my favorite glitter, which I run out of every month. The team also sent me this cute little try it out package with candies, which is really sweet, and of course my kids ate the candies. But yeah, I have another cute transfer me sheet there to try it out. And that's it. This was my haul, and let's talk about giveaways. So since the new product is here, I thought I'll give away 2 of the transfer me sheets to one lucky winner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, you leave a comment on this video, and you follow me on all social media platforms. All the links are in the description below. The supplies are also linked in the description box below. So yeah, so to win this, follow me, like, subscribe, share, the whole deal. All right, I will see you again next time. Bye bye.